Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. At first, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. Here, mark lock screen and then select fingerprints. Now provide your screen lock pattern, tap on continue, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located on your power button right here, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. And mark done. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.